And now shifting focus, in a major development in the Telangana tunnel collapse rescue, teams have located the bodies of 4 of the 8 workers trapped under the rubble. The bodies were found about 4 meters below the muddy slush, which will be retrieved today. The search continues for the remaining 4 workers who have been located beyond the tunnel boring machine. Authorities anticipate that it will take one more day to recover them. Andhra Pradesh Tourism Minister Jubilee Krishna confirmed the progress, stating that while 4 bodies are expected to be retrieved today, the other 4 workers are still a challenge to reach. The rescue operation, which has been underway for 8 days, has seen multiple agencies working tirelessly to de-water the site and clear the silt. Rat miners have also been brought in to assist in the delicate operation using GPR to pinpoint the exact locations of the trapped workers. My colleague Somit is now joining us with more details on this. Somit, what is the latest update as far as the retrieval of the bodies is concerned? We're learning that all 8 bodies have been located, but it's still a challenge to retrieve 4 of them.
Well, that's true because, the incoming. So, while the 150 workers are still working there at this spot and all the, rescue teams are there in NDRF, SDRF, Navis divers and also Army's task force, all of them are working, state authorities are working on this rescue mission, and they went inside, using the loco pilot, and we knew that after 11 kilometers, they couldn't reach that 13.5 kilometers because due to the water, they are walking from the 11 kilometer spot to the 13 kilometer spot, and from there, from 13.4 kilometer spot, they have started digging, and it's been 2 days now, because, it has become really difficult because of the TBM machine collapse there, and also conveyor belt collapse there, and they have also use plasma cutters to cut down the machines and also bring out those machine parts. And at that spot, actually using the GPR technology, they have located, they have tentatively located the dead body locations, and there they have started the digging, and it's been 2 days now, and very soon, anytime there would be breakthrough. But yes, because of the incoming of the mud slush, they are digging out and also clearing the debris, and again because of the inflow of the water, inflow of the mud, again it is getting gathered there. So they are trying to remove that debris, they're trying to remove the mud slush, and they're trying to reach that exact location where GPR has stated. So we'll have to wait and see, and even the minister has stated that, Mr. Jubilee Rao has stated that by tonight, there are high chances that they might retrieve 4 bodies, and also the other 4 bodies are on the other side of the TBM machine. So reaching there would be difficult, so it might take some time. Yes, for the by today, 4 bodies might be retrieved is what even minister stated, and even officials are assessing.